Hello everybody, this is Toshi Yagi from beautiful little island Okinawa, Japan. I'm a photographer. I shot this image for a long time ago. When I was in art school. This is a fine art class assignment. This is my subject today, and I have this image by Adobe Photoshop used filter called Find Edges, and I don't know if I'm going to use this or not, but just turn it off now, and I want to paint watercolor image from this base image. Well, let's get started. Okay, I'm going to move this empty layer in between these two, and from watercolor round detail. Then, okay, I'm gonna choose some healthy skin tone, nice skin tone. I shot this with the natural light by a window. That's why we have this sunny light from the window. So nice shadow shape and stuff. I don't know how it's gonna turn, but let's have a fun and try. Well, change the wash flat. Change. What I'm doing is just by putting that water, no color, and if it's touched the paint, it's gonna lose itself, I think. Won't see nothing moving. But we have lots of water flow here, so when it's coming to this paint coming to, when you touch it, you see here now, it's oozing. Really hard to see, huh? Well, let's give it more water. It's coming. You see some. Here comes. Okay, this is highlight. Now I'm gonna touch up later. Kind of interesting. Well, it's so neat. It's AI, huh? Oops, that's too much maybe, but that's okay. Let's go here now. Alright. Now change the water around detail, then same only water. Well, that's cool. Okay, I got some highlight side. Okay, let's see, mid-tone here. Well, let's see. Well, let's go for her face. Really very sad, this skin tone. I don't know if it's taking movie yet. I'm just adding water to ooze slowly. Oh yeah, there is. Here comes. You see. Now you see. When you turn this one down, you see really very sad. Okay. Now just leave it this way, and I'm gonna draw some lips and eyebrow and stuff. It's gonna show much more. Okay, I'm gonna add later. Yeah. Now I'm gonna go on this layer and go put hair now. Put highlight side of the hair. Okay, again, marge down. Okay, now, I guess I can marge down this. What's this one? This is the base body area, and this is the hair. Then this is shadow side. Okay, I'm gonna marge down with this hair and head, huh? Okay, I'm gonna add another, layer to make some shadow area of the face later on, but now I'm gonna finish up this body area. Yeah, and go this big one here. Wow, this is again shadow area big. Now again, I'm adding water. I cannot see it. I want to add more darker shadow here. So I'm going to add layer and let's see. Okay. Now I'm gonna add here too. Add these shadows here. So interesting texture. Just add water to blend them. This is overlay. Colors so nice. I like that. I like pin light too. Yeah, more effective than normal. Okay, just leave it there. But I like this overlay. Okay, just turn this. Well, okay, now select multiple. 1, 2, 3. Then I'm gonna duplicate layer. So 3 of them are together now. Now I'm gonna merge down. Merge selected. 1 layer now. Then I'm going to turn this one off to keep it. Base image about 60%. That's not off now. Then let's see, I'm going to add background. Well, I'm going to turn this one off. Then I'm going to just turn on these two, body and hair. Yeah, got to have this one too. So in that case, go back. Turn this off and then turn this one on. Opacity 100%. Then now overlay about 60%. Base image 30%. Let's see where it goes. I had something good. Let's see this on everything. Now its density is double, right? Then turn this overlay. Oh, okay, I got it. Now overlay 60%. Then turn this dark shadow down about 50. Half. Then base image go up. Oh, okay. In this case, I kind of like this. But the sum of this, okay, now this is 70 on pencil drawing type image. Change normal to overlay. Then this is 3 watercolors combined together to make 1 layer. And this is face and arm. This one is hair and shadow. Then this is dark shadow, but opacity 50%. Not that dark. Go 50. Now this is base image, about 50. Add watercolor here. Make some background. how it's gonna turn out. Kind of interesting. Okay, let's make it here too. Yeah, I kind of like it. This kind of oozing. Now background is okay. Then chair is fine. Now this base image, how much I'm gonna combine together. That's interesting. To show this color, if you go up, you see more. So in this case, maximum density is maybe 70%. Now I'm gonna create empty mask, then invert mask. Reveal with mixer brush to softy mixer. Then reveal this. Well, let's see. Not softy painting to wet brush 2. This does have texture, right? Okay, now I think it's pretty interesting, and well, let's see from very top. This is the overlay, right? Okay, I'm gonna overall now brightness contrast. How about now? Yeah, touch contrast. Red goes so much saturated. This is too strong, so why don't I put this one go up to this? No, it's not that much. Well, go down. Maybe 70, 80. Yeah. Then how about this background? Go up to this brightness contrast, so it doesn't affect on this, right? See, no change for these two layers. So then I'm gonna tone down maybe, well, 70. Well, this is it for today, and thank you for watching my video, and I really appreciate for you guys' support, and you guys have a nice day. See you next time. Bye now. Ciao. Today's movie is gonna help you some kind of idea to your creative work, I hope. Bye. Ciao.